doesn't buzz when the lights are off. I don't know why. I don't know why it's on a Harbor Breeze remote. This is the low profile. I'm kind of sick, so sorry if I sound weird. This fan's been running for a very long time, and I did not realize how long my dad had left it on. But the blades is ridiculous how dusty they got. Oh my god. Like before he even turned it on, or last time I stopped this fan, there was like no dust on the blades. That was probably 3 weeks ago. It is covered in dust. I cannot believe this. Wow. It really got dusty. I didn't realize how long it'd been running. Motor's not too hot though. But this is the worst fan in the house. It's the Contempo Harbor Breeze. And last but not least, Hunter Original in my room. Don't ask about the canopy because I've explained it quite a bit. So, yeah. 2012 model. So thanks for watching.